Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get G2A discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up G2A discount codes and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and click on this first website, Coupon Follow, and you're gonna click on it. So once the website is loaded, you're gonna see many codes. As you can see, that's the logo for the company, and the first code says extra 10% off. So you can click on it and it's gonna give you a code. So in this case it is media ing Lisa 10. So all you have to do is click copy, click redeem at G2A, which will take you to their website, and then you can choose your products and use this code at checkout. Similarly, there are many other codes. So for example, there's another for 10% off, so you can click on that and you're gonna see a different code. So this is the code, same process, you're gonna copy and use it at checkout. There are many other codes you can go ahead. For example, there are many 10% offs. So let me go back. There are many 10%. There are many 10% off. There's a 5% off, 56% off. So you can go ahead and give all of these a try and see which one of them works. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, I'm gonna head over to the website CNET Coupons, and I'm gonna show you a few good codes here. So there's 10% off here, so I'm gonna click on that, and this is another code which gives you a 10% off. So same process, click copy coupon and visit the site and use this code at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.